Well, it's been a long time since I posted one of these videos, but we're gonna go and do it today. Uh, Couple new updates going on with the game. Completely redid the user interface, new fonts, stuff like that. Found a bunch of other new stuff that I put in there. So I'm just gonna go through and show you. I gotta work on the sizing a little bit. You'll see that here in a second. Uh, Opening logo. I gotta get a new icon made for it. So as you can see, new font for the background, new buttons ready to go here. As you can see, I gotta work on some sizing stuff here to get that fixed up. And these should be over the overlay here. That's just kind of a dynamic background I'm kind of working on and stuff like that. Fun little stuff there. Single player will be after the full release, kind of save game settings and stuff like that. Don't have the settings and the profile set up yet. Settings will come up next. Profile I'm really not going to do until I get it going on Steam and get all those settings and stats and fun stuff going there. So we'll get those working a little bit later. Getting everything ready to go. Join IP address. This was the same as when you wanted to go into a game. And you would open up the console and hit connect, and then whatever IP address, whatever. So you don't have to do that no more. So you can go straight into the game, type whatever. This big, large gray box here will be the server list that will populate just like it did before in Soldier of Fortune. Host server will not be here most likely. I'm probably going to get rid of that. This is just for testing purposes. But yeah, you can put in whatever name you want to and all that good stuff. Kind of a testing level. Get everything going. Bottom left hand corner, the 0 is ping. Most of the stuff is just so I know I can get a hold of it and stuff like that. I took out all the sounds. The inventory right now basically just for testing multiplayer and stuff like that, which it'll get back in there soon. ID, the 257 you see at the bottom left middle, that's the player ID, so things like that will come about, admin abuse type shit maybe, we'll see. Health bar, armor bar, those are finally working. So let's see if it'll let me open up another game here. Yeah, this is the one I want. Nope, because I'm going to have to do it that way. But they are working. So any damage carryover will work now. So if you run out of armor, if you got 10 armor and somebody does 100 damage to you, you're going to basically die. So that's not a problem anymore. That bug is fixed. Capture the flag system is working. Blue flag and capture point, red flag and capture point. The flags will be updatable. I'll figure out a way to get those to be customizable for people to want to run their own server. But as you can see, it's working just the way it's intended to work. I just got to hook up all the score stuff. We'll see. There you go. See, it popped back up over there. Kill this guy off. Be a little bit easier to see. I know one thing Soldier of Fortune did not have. I mean, they had a recoil system, but it was kind of a funky, like kind of just whatever direction, random, I should say, very random recoil system. So this, we will have a predictable recoil system. If you don't know what that is, basically it's going to do the same recoil over and over and over again every time you shoot the weapon. So you see it goes up, and then right, left, right, and keep going right. Every time it's going to go up the same amount, up, right, left, right, and that's completely customizable by me or anybody else. So it'll have your own server settings. Damages will be set up in the server settings as well. Bottom middle right, I guess you could say, where it says desktop and a bunch of numbers and letters and stuff like that, that is going to be the player name. Again, just so I can get a hold of it, that's why that's there for score screen purposes and stuff like that, like it was before. The UI, you can see the weapon there in the bottom right hand corner with the ammo and ammo remaining. I don't know if I want to put all the weapons across the bottom, but we'll have to see. Timer in the top right or top middle, you'll see the game timer. I'm going to put that there. In top right hand corner, you can see where the kill feed will be. I may put it in the left. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. But we'll have some fun with it. Fun with physics and stuff like that. That's, yeah, you'll. If I can jump on the cube, I can't jump on the cube anymore. Why? Yeah, see physics. Yeah. Yeah. Fun stuff like that. But it's working as intended, as it's supposed to right now. I'll have a score screen that pops up right now. This little menu is just, you know, for testing reasons, to have fun around with it. I need to do a little bit of tweak with the impact points because the blood splatter gets all up in the way. Whenever you get shot in the face, I mean, all you see is blood. You lose track of your crosshairs, stuff like that. Show you a little bit of what other stuff we got going on here. Is it here? Where's it at? Images. Where's it at? I could have swore. Oh, M-Game HUD. As you can see, kind of all the stuff that's going on here. Crosshair. Let's zoom in on the crosshair. 100 of those. I got 100 crosshairs that you'll be able to customize and go through. As you can see down here on the bottom right hand corner, you'll be able to resize all of them, and just have fun, make it kind of whatever you want to be able to make it fun with. Like I said, there are a ton of them, and that. Again, sizing issues will be fixed soon. I'm hoping, God, I'm hoping to have this back up on Steam soon, by the end of the week. But I mean, like I said, I just want to get it up on Steam, make sure I can connect multiple times, and then we'll get some stat stuff and fun stuff like that going on. But there's the quick update, and we'll have some more, and we'll keep you posted as I get more into it again. So I'll see you all later.